What would you say if we told you that one of your most powerful allies when it comes to weight loss isn't the newest cardio science or a complicated diet, but water? That's right. Good old H2O can rev your metabolism, help you lose serious weight and maintain that flat belly. According to a study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, drinking 17 ounces of water daily increased the metabolic rate of study participants by 30%. Drink 1.5 liters of water a day, about 6 glasses, and you could burn 17,400 calories each year. 1. Grapefruit mint. Aside from being as refreshingly tart as an Amy Schumer routine, grapefruit has serious health benefits. A study published in the journal Metabolism found that those who ate grapefruit for 6 weeks lost a full inch off their waistlines. Why? The fruit is rich in phytochemicals, a bioactive compound that burns fat. And mint has been known to suppress appetite. One study published in the Journal of Neurological and Orthopedic Medicine found that people who sniffed peppermint every 2 hours lost an average of 5 pounds a month. 2. Apple lemon mint. Lemon is a common detox ingredient for good reason. An antioxidant in its peel stimulates liver enzymes to help flush toxins from the body. 3. Orange lemon lime. 3 citrus fruits work together in this cleansing blend. All 3 are rich in D-limonene, which has been shown to have anti-cancer effects and soothe heartburn and acid reflux. It also flushes toxins and helps clear up irregularity. 4. Mint melon. Stock up on the last of the summer watermelon while you can. It's one of the very best fruits for fat loss, having been shown to improve lipid, fat profiles and decrease the accumulation of body fat. What's more, a Spanish study found that athletes who drank watermelon juice post-workout had less muscle soreness. 5. Cucumber lime kiwi. Cucumbers are a known diet staple, and for good reason. They're extremely low in calories, and their skin contains tons of vitamins and minerals for your body to benefit from. So when adding to your H2O, be sure to keep the skin on.